What is the National Health ID system announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? PM Narendra Modi launched and announced National Health ID on 15th August on the occasion of 74th Independence Day. While announcing the scheme, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, "From today, a major campaign is being launched in which technology will play a big role. The National Digital Health Mission is being launched today. This will bring a new revolution in India's health sector and industry, and it will reduce problems in getting treatment with the help of technology." He also said that this scheme will help citizens in easing their problems in getting healthcare access. He said that every Indian will be given a health ID. What is the National Health ID system then? The National Health ID will be a storage of all health related information of people. As per the National Health Authority (NHA), every patient who wants to have their health records available digitally must start by creating a health ID. All health IDs will be linked to a health data consent managers like National Digital Health Mission (NDHM), which will be used to get patients' approval. And this will allow for flow of health information from the personal health records. The health ID will be created by using a person's basic details and mobile number or Aadhaar number. This will allow anyone to have option to link all of their health records to this ID. What was the original proposal for the health ID? Prime Minister Narendra Modi's announcement and launching of a National Health ID for every Indian roots back to 2018 Niti Aayog proposal to create a centralized mechanism to uniquely identify every participating user in the national health stack. The National Health Policy 2017 had proposed the creation of a digital health technology ecosystem aiming at developing an integrated health information system that serves the needs of all stakeholders. The idea was to improve efficiency, transparency, and citizens' experience by linking public and private healthcare. In June 2018, Niti Aayog had initiated the consultation process of digital infrastructure for India's health system called National Health Stack. Niti Aayog proposed a digital health ID to greatly reduce the risk of preventable medical errors and significantly increase quality of care. The central government, with the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the NHA, and the Ministry of Electronics and IT had taken this proposal in June-July to prepare a strategy review document or plan for making India a digital health national, enabling digital healthcare for all. Several healthcare providers like hospitals, laboratories, insurance companies, online pharmacies and platforms, telemedicine firms, and others will be expected to participate in the National Health ID system. So is there any other country in the world with such kind of a system? Yes, UK has something similar to this. In 2005, UK's National Health Service (NHS) system started storing electronic and digital health record to have the records of all the patients in storage by 2010. Many hospitals stored patients' records in system, but there was no healthcare information exchange. This whole process had created and costed UK more than £12 billion. So far, it's considered to be one of the most expensive healthcare IT failures.